Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here with another awesome video. Now, remember, success leaves clues. Also remember that we are designed to do great things and that everything that we touch shall prosper. We are the head and not the tail, above only and not beneath. Now, this video, this is a CRM. I'm talking about this CRM by Brevo. Now, this was brought to me by one of my team members, and he said that he had been using a free version. So I've decided to check it out to see how it compares to other CRM platforms and uh, and also the pricing. Now, this particular platform has the following. Okay, here are the platforms that they offer. They have a marketing platform, a sales platform, a conversation platform, a customer data platform, and message API. Now, it is extremely important that you have a CRM to help you with your business. What a CRM does, it allows you to put your business on autopilot. Without the CRM, you have to do things manually. So this is a great tool to assist you with time management. Now, there is a learning curve when it comes to CRM. You can get someone to do it for you, or you can kind of learn it yourself. Actually, I'm doing both. It has taken me some time to really not so much understand the concept of a CRM, but understand how it works, how the programming works, because you have to tell it what it is you want done, and then you have to be able to communicate it in a way that it understands. Remember, a computer, a software, or anything of that nature will only follow instructions. So you have to be able to give it the correct instructions. I can remember when I was in college taking a computer programming class. This was the early 80s, like 83, 84. And I had a math teacher to teach us computer programming. And she kept telling us, remember, this computer cannot think. It will only follow instructions. And so we tried to tell it, okay, well, write a program. 2 plus 2, we just put 2 plus 2. And then the computer didn't know that it was 4 simply because it had not been told it was 4. So we wrote a program to say 2 plus 2 equals 4. And so every time we entered 2 plus 2, it gave us 4. So keep in mind, a computer software program will only do what it has been instructed to do. It cannot think. Okay, well, here I am. I'm on the inside of Brevo. Now remember, I'm using a trial version. Within the next couple of days, I will upgrade so that my team, we can do a real evaluation of this tool, tell you the pros and cons. From what I've seen thus far, it appears to be a lot of pros. Okay, I am using a trial period, and so I'll let you know how everything works out. Now, remember, success does leave clues. We are designed to do great things, that there is greatness within. Everything that we touch shall prosper. So let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless us and keep us. May He smile upon us. May He be gracious and kind to us. May He continue to open those closed doors before us and enlarge our territory. And we thank you for a good, long life, good health, eyesight not abated, 120, 130 years of age. We thank you. Y'all have a great day. Take care.